We love space. There's no denying that. But let's be real. Most of it is pretty far away. We can't see the details. Let's look at the photo. It's this huge image of the Andromeda galaxy. You may have seen it before. About 1.5 billion pixels were stitched together to get this final product. It reveals over 100 million stars. It gives us a chance to experience our universe in a whole new way. Vast, beautiful, and teeming with cosmic wonder. Sure, newer telescopes like James Webb will push the limits of what we can currently imagine. But Hubble is still going strong. Maybe we'll have a space telescope then that can take a photo. Wouldn't that be something? Thanks for watching. And as always, this has been Dig Talk. Anyway, one image, millions of stars, billions of questions. This is the universe, and we're only beginning to understand our place in it. While other telescopes may be better at seeing deep into space, Hubble is great at looking at things nearby. Zooming in on Andromeda was not easy. It required some fancy camera equipment and a lot of effort from astronomers. But the result is worth it. This image will help researchers understand their galactic neighbor for years to come. And it's only the latest photo from Hubble. The Space Telescope launched in 1990 and has been taking pictures of everything since then. In case you want to check them out, there's a link below. Zooming in on any small section shows lots of smaller galaxies within the larger one. These are mostly satellite galaxies that orbit Andromeda. Scientists can use the photo to study how star formation works in another galaxy. They can see how structure and evolution happen. Basically, they get to peer at a galaxy similar to our own and try to learn more about how the Milky Way works. It's kind of like looking at a city skyline. If you're far enough away, it looks like this. Now zoom in and suddenly you can see everything that makes up that skyline. You can see individual buildings and maybe even people. In this case, the people are stars and the buildings are clusters of stars. It's about 2.5 million light years from Earth and is our closest galactic neighbor. Now if you're a nerd like me, you might be wondering how far away it is in parsecs. Don't worry, we got you. A light year is a unit of distance, roughly 6 trillion miles. A parsec is about 3.6 light years. So Andromeda is about 8,200 parsecs away. In other words, very close. Astronomers say it's on a collision course with our own galaxy, the Milky Way. They think in about 4 billion years, the two will merge. So you don't need to worry too much about your street being demolished by a black hole or anything. If you're watching this video, you won't be around in 4 billion years. Also, the universe could expand and the galaxies could drift apart. No one really knows. All those cool space pics we look at are very distant views of things. That all changes today. The universe just got a little closer. The Hubble Space Telescope has zoomed in on our neighboring galaxy. And the results are breathtaking. It's a new high-resolution photo of Andromeda. Let's get into it. Hey there, welcome to Dig Talk. First off, this is really cool. Not just because the photo is amazing, but because it is a good reminder of how incredibly lucky we are to live at a special time in history. The universe is so big and so complicated. Why are we here right now to see it? Well, actually, we do have a good idea why we are here right now. It's not the universe that's special, it's us. Humans have always been curious about space. We wanted to know what's up there. Today, thanks to the work of countless scientists and engineers, we can zoom in on our galactic neighbor. So yes, the photo is amazing. And yes, it's a testament to human ingenuity and drive. It's also a reminder to appreciate the awesome present moment where we find ourselves. Okay, enough said. So anyway, Hubble took this photo, It's called the largest and sharpest image of Andromeda ever made. It is also just plain awesome for everyone else who isn't trying to use the photo for research. The photo is important for another reason. It shows us that we don't need a super powerful telescope to learn a ton of new stuff. Maybe someday soon, we'll even see the Milky Way and Andromeda merging. That's it for this video.